Well, allergy season is just getting underway, and just as the coronavirus picks up the pace, some of those symptoms may overlap or make the problem worse. James Gilbert explains.
I'm here at Ellison Park, where trees are starting to bud, thanks in part to a warmer than average March. That means the start of allergy season, unfortunately right at the time when we're seeing more COVID-19 cases. Practicing social distancing while outside will help fight the coronavirus, but it won't stop seasonal allergies. University of Rochester's Teresa Bingaman already has patients reporting symptoms.
Those that are spending a lot of time this weekend, for example, doing yard work because it was so nice, have complained of far more symptoms.
Symptoms like what horticulturist Marcy Muller goes through every spring, even this year while staying at home.
My eyes water up and get itchy, and so I can sympathize with people who have allergies.
Muller says tree budding comes first, bringing seasonal symptoms from pollen. Dr. S. Shahzad Mustafa says some of those symptoms do have similarities to those of the coronavirus.
The places where it overlaps is both could certainly give you nasal congestion, post-nasal drips, sore throat, maybe a little bit of a cough.
But one big distinction is fever. That's on top of how bad those symptoms can be.
Kind of the course, the degree of severity with COVID-19, particularly with your respiratory symptoms, should be what I would expect to be much more severe than allergies triggering a little bit of wheeze, cough, or asthma-like symptoms.
Dr. Bingaman gave me some good advice for preventing allergies from getting worse. Wear sunglasses or any kind of glasses to prevent from rubbing your eyes or touching your face. Sound familiar? That'll also help prevent from spreading viruses like COVID-19. Reporting in Rochester, James Gilbert, News 8.
All right, James, thank you. According to Dr. Mustafa, controlled asthma is not considered a significant risk factor for COVID-related complications, but poorly controlled asthma may result in more severe respiratory difficulties when associated with viral infections like the coronavirus. All right, we're going to check back in right now with Maria Hall. She is